So now suppose that you want to use this car in another file. And trust me, you will probably need to use that. You will probably need to do that because you will not always work with the class in the same file. You will need to use this class in another file. So here, suppose that I create a new file called main.py, and suppose that I want to use the class, the car class, here in the main.py. How can I do that? Well, to do that, you need to say here from car import car. So what I did here is that from the car file, which is this, and it must be located in the same directory. So the same directory here is the python underscore OOP. So in the same directory we have the file called car.py. So here you need to say from car, from this file, import a class called car, which is this. So again, it's from car, import car. Now if I create a new object, if I say here car, and then let me here say car1, and then equals to this, and let me here say print. I'm gonna print the car1 dot, and it takes, by the way, it takes here 2 parameters by default, but if you don't pass anything, nothing is gonna happen. So if you say here car1 dot color, let me now save and run my file. So I'm gonna head on over to the view and then terminal. Now in the terminal you need to run this file main.py. So here I'm gonna say python3 and then main.py. Now if I hit enter, guess what? I'm gonna get black because I am making an object of this class. So this means that it worked. And if you want to change the color of the car, you can either pass here the color itself, because here it takes the color. So you can here say blue. Now if you save and run one more time, it's gonna say here blue, as you can see. Or you can here say car1 and then dot set color and then pass the color that you want. I'm gonna say yellow. And now if I save and run, it's gonna say yellow. So it worked, and this is how you can use your class in other Python files.